This is the TENSSENX drone with a 4K camera. Let me tell you the things I like about this. For one, I like that it folds up. It's really nice that you can fold it up nice and compact. It just makes it easier to store and it makes it easier to lug around. So altogether, the size of the drone, once it's folded up, is not very big. You can control the camera with the remote control. You basically can just adjust the angle on it. And it does have GPS. So once you're in the air, it's relatively stable, easy to control and maneuver, a lot of fun to fly. The remote control is nothing special, but it has all the features and functionality that you would need. Another thing I really like about the drone is that it does come with two batteries. Both batteries use USB-C to charge, and the remote control does as well. So it's really easy to charge this up whenever and wherever you are. I flew this today with my boys. My oldest is 7, my youngest is just 4, and all of them were able to fly it relatively well. So it is pretty beginner friendly. This was sent to me so I could make this video. I've used a lot of drones before. I think the main thing that sets this apart from other drones is it is relatively inexpensive for the features that it has. Overall, the stability of it is not as great as some of the higher end drones. You can see the footage for yourself. Despite them saying it is 4K, the quality of the image is not super fantastic. Another problem I had with this is I did put an SD card in and I pressed the record button on the remote to record to the SD card. I have never gotten that to work. I just usually use my phone to get the footage. Honestly, I don't know if it makes a significant difference or not with quality of the footage, but that was something I could never get to work. Overall, it's a fun toy drone, a great beginner drone if you've never flown a drone before. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.